going to Huckens Yacht Center here and see what's going on. Give you guys an update on the Chaparral. If it's outside, it might be inside the shop. No, it's still outside, I think. Yeah, I see it sitting like through the trees. Oh, there's people down here working today. There are cars here. Anyway, there's the Chaparral. So we put some more money on it the other day. Okay, let's go. Take a quick walk and we'll show you what's going on with it. Alright, so as it turns out, one drive was completely destroyed. The technician, the mechanic says because the pinion gear was shimmed incorrectly and it chewed up the gears, basically like a differential being on wrong. So that was this drive. When I was looking about maybe fixing it myself, I did notice that these are wrong. So this drive is the non-counter rotating one, and this is the counter rotating one. Well, the counter rotating one is supposed to be on this side. So what they're going to do is they're going to have to buy a whole new drive. All metal shavings went through the whole thing. So they're going to buy a new counter rotating drive. They're going to take this one off, put it over here, and then put the new drive on this side. The engine coupling was fine. It's got a brand new one. I guess that's all lined up correctly. So that's where we're standing on that. Oh, there's some parts. Got some parts right there. So anyway, should be rolling in the shop this week. They got a brand new drive ordered for it, and I guess it ain't gonna take that long to get it. And then then the drives will be set up correct. Also, they're gonna change all the shift cables underneath the hood down in here, all the way up to the shifter handle up there, because these drives, they reverse at the transmission. Transmissions are one-to-one drive, whether going forward or backward. So the only real difference on the Alpha Gen 2 is the thrust bearing in here is a different bearing for a counter rotating drive. So, and then they're controlled at the shifter up here front to back. So anyway, that's what's going on with the Chaparral. I was gonna have them do a polish on it because I polished this area right here myself, and it came out looking real good. And if the boat was cheap to fix, I was gonna have them do a polish on it for us, but it's not gonna be cheap to fix, so we're just gonna get it mechanically sound. So brand new drive, flip-flop the drives. I was gonna have them do oil changes, but I'll just do the oil changes myself. I got an oil sucker, and hopefully next week we'll have it back. We know what's wrong with it, and money's been paid, so they can buy parts. We're ready to go.